Alright, hi, welcome to my shop. To watch me screw this up, I'm not happy with it. But, you know, trial and errors. It works, even though I had to take it apart and mess up the finish right here. And I had to sand it down. But I put springs in the wrong place, but anyways, you can join me with my screw up here in the bull barn. Thanks. Okay, so today I'm going to build a Compson click pin. And I'm going to do it with this acrylic blank here. It is just black and white, it says. And this pen is in chrome. This is the Penn State Industries kit. But first off, I had to start with these. I soaked them in acetone all night. They were, I think probably because I glued them to my first few blanks, because, you know, I'm a dummy and I forgot to take them off. I think there was a buildup on, I can see it, this edge right here. And everything run nice and true, and I have the mandrel saver over there, and every time you put tension on it, I'd get a wobble. And if you take the tension off, the wobble will go away, but of course then I couldn't turn it apart. So I'm hoping that by soaking these, I've mic'd them all. They're all relatively close, but I'm hoping that these edges are flat and true now, so that everything runs nice and flat without wobbles. But this is really odd to work around this thing, but I still haven't figured out the camera issues yet. I'm back to my phone. I just got to remember to take everything off of it. So, but anyways, look at that. That tube's all scratched up already. So I don't know. It's kind of clear, isn't it? You see that? Kind of see through it. But I don't know which end of it I want. I'll go with this end up here. So we'll, you know, put a mark in it, take it over to the bandsaw and make it that size, and then try to drill a hole in it. Alright, turn on this ancient thing I got. Let's see how ancient it is. Check this out. It's all on this little mechanical arm. I have no idea how old this thing is. But it still works. It won't work great, but it does the job. Okay, let's give this a go again here. Alright, so I got to take this out from the last pen I made, and probably have to change that over because I'm sure that's not the same diameter. Anyways, this kit takes about 3/8 drill bit. Just dummy can figure out which way to go. Fit this in there. So, it's a little high, isn't it? Got that loosened up. Anyways, I found that this little piece of this is MDF, probably 1/8 inch, I think. It was for something we did. But it kind of stops the chip out at the bottom. I'm just going to eyeball the center. I don't think it's really that crucial. I could mark it, but I think I'm just going to eyeball it. Everything looking okay over there, other than my height. And I probably have to raise this up because that was a pretty long tube. But there it is. There it is. And it does a pretty good job of not having any chip out with that piece of MDF on there. Ooh, I didn't go all the way through it. I'll try that again. Try it again. All right, let's try that again. So hopefully it dried enough that it isn't going to come off when I put the glue on it. But put the CA in there and put it in this end, and then put it all over the tube. Out of my fingers, and get it in here. And let it dry. And I got it on my finger anyways. Awesome stuff to get on your fingers. It doesn't come off. Anyways, once that dries, I'll head over to the lathe. And, well, I'm going to find the bushings. Oh, there they are. I had to order the bushings with it too. So that, oops, I'm too close. There's the kit number from Penn State also. And head back over to the drill press because we gotta, you know, take these down. Okay, so I got my bushings. Oops, there we go. It appears one is slightly smaller than the other. Not much, but it doesn't really matter which way they go on. I'll put that one on this way and this one on that way. And hopefully I got the goo off my bushings. I'll find out here in a second. As I slide this over here and turn it on and see if I put some pressure on it, if it starts to wobble. It doesn't appear it's wobbling. Maybe a little bit. Nowhere near what it was. Alright, so we'll go with that. See everything okay? Find my, I don't know where it went. Where my tool rest at? Got a big one, but I kind of like this little one, so. Well, I'm not sure if that's going to work, but we'll see, huh? So anyways, where is it? Let's see if I can mess this one up. So let's try that again. So off camera, I glued that up, stuck my fingers to it, barrel trimmed it again, and we'll try again, see what happens. Hopefully it stays together. It's going to be a little ugly now because I can see the copper tube in there. So, but whatever. I can't remember if I can see a glue in there. Looks like it. We'll clean that up. All right, let's try that again. I figured I'd run out and feed the horses and the cats and all that crap outside. And I got out there and somebody turned the snow machine on. It's white out there. So again, I don't have any windows, I can't see. Anyways, I'm going to do my sanding. You know, my grit's from 150 to 600. I'll probably speed that up. And then I'll do micro mesh. As soon as I, you know, slow that down some. The fun part. try again. Hey, that looks better, don't it? Alright, so I'm gonna clean that all up with some denatured alcohol. It looks like, anyways. Hey, you see the tube? Oh well. I guess I learned the hard way, huh? Yeah, it don't look too bad, except for that. Can you put shell wax on this stuff? Or should I just use turtle wax? I guess it won't hurt to try the shell wax, will it? We'll see what to do. Might be a little too much. Come out of there pretty quick. Okay, well, I'm not real happy with how this is, but I think you can take it apart after the fact. Anyways, it says lay everything out like diagram. Okay, now that I've screwed that all up, I got it out. I marred up the finish a little bit and hit it with 1,000 grit, so now it's got a gold band. But it appears that that spring did not go in there. This piece goes, it won't come out now. This piece goes into there somehow, something like that. And then this piece screws onto this, I'm guessing. Place refill into here. Oh, it's supposed to be pressed down first. Yeah, let's see if I can screw it up again. I'm pretty good at it. Oh, that's nice and not tight. But anyways, let's push this back together. Get everything, yeah, it's tightened up. I guess it doesn't look that bad. Let's go this way. There you go. Doesn't look great. There's my first one. Can't see it from your house. So anyway, it says press this in there, and then this spring onto there. There's just a little cap thing's got to go. And then this thing onto there. And then it appears that the spring goes in there, and this threads onto there. It doesn't want to thread onto there. Oh, look at that. I dig it, huh? It does work. I think it sticks out a little far, but yeah. Alrighty. Well, I'm not sure I'm going to leave that. I might set it in acetone, dissolve all that off there and do something else with it, but I already screwed up the finish, so shouldn't be a big issue taking it apart if I want. Thanks for watching.